Hi everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Today we're diving into factory resetting your MacBook Air running OS X El Capitan, and we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Plus, we'll show you the best way to recover your data after factory resetting your Mac. Let's get started. Why do we need factory reset MacBook Air OS X El Capitan? Well, here are a few reasons. Improve performance. Over time, your Mac can slow down due to accumulated files and apps. Fix issues. Resetting can resolve persistent software problems and glitches. Prepare for sale. If you're selling or giving away your Mac, a reset ensures all your personal data is wiped clean. How to factory reset MacBook Air OS X El Capitan. Now let's go through the steps to factory reset your MacBook Air running OS X El Capitan. Follow along closely. Before you begin, make sure to back up any important files using Time Machine or an external drive. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select Restart. As your Mac restarts, hold down the Command and R keys until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. In the macOS Utilities window, select Disk Utility and click Continue. Erase your hard drive. Select your startup disk, usually named Macintosh HD. Click on the Erase tab. Choose macOS Extended, Journal as the format and give your disk a name. Click Erase and wait for the process to complete. Close Disk Utility to return to the macOS Utilities window. Select Reinstall OS X and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall OS X El Capitan. How to recover data after factory resetting your Mac. After resetting your Mac, what to do if you find that you have lost important files. This is where Eassiy Data Recovery comes in. It's a powerful tool that makes data recovery easy and quick. It can recover data from over 2,000 storage devices like PCs, USB drives, SD cards, cameras, hard drives, SSDs, and more. And it can recover 1,000 plus file types, including photos, videos, documents, audio, and emails. There are two scan modes you can choose: Quick Scan and Deep Scan, and the recovery success rate of Deep Scan is 98.6%. How to use Eassiy Data Recovery. First, download and install Eassiy Data Recovery from its official website. Open Eassiy and select the type of files you want to recover. Choose the disk you want to scan and click Scan. Eassiy will begin scanning for lost files. Once the scan is complete, preview the files and select the ones you want to recover. Click Recover and save them to a safe location. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.